Hello, my old school soul food YouTube subscriber. Chef Jeffrey back here with another video here. And today I'm doing a recipe that's so comforting, so good, and exactly old school soul food. Today we're gonna do some real authentic old school homemade from scratch chicken and dumplings. So this is my mama's favorite dish. I mean, every time I've eaten this and made this, I bet 1,000,000 times, seriously. I can do these definitely. I know y'all heard me say I do things in my sleep. This one I can. And this is my mama. She don't cook as much as she used to. Like, you know, she's kind of elderly now, but this is always makes for her. And every time I go home, she said, baby, bring me a little bowl of chicken and dumplings. A little bowl is not enough, of course. I always make a big pot. So anyway, let's get started. The first step to chicken and dumplings, I use chicken thighs when I make my dumplings because I think the thigh meat has more flavor and you get more meat off and it's easy to pick off. You know, I pick my meat off the bone, as you'll see later when I do my dumplings. And I think you get more bang for your buck with chicken thighs. You get more meat off of it. So anyway, I'm gonna put the chicken thighs in the pot, salt and pepper. Very simple. I need to make a good rich stock. Bay leaves. Like I say, this is very simple. A couple of bay leaves in here. Of course, we'll take the bay leaves out later after it's ready. And onions and celery. And we're gonna fill this up with water. Usually I use chicken stock, but I'm actually making a chicken stock. Chicken broth or whatever you want to call it. And we're gonna let this simmer. Not simmer, we're gonna let this boil until the thighs get ready. Usually it takes about an hour. Where should it get, where it's completely falling off the bone. We're gonna pick off the meat, put the stock back on. We're gonna make our homemade dumplings, drop them in the stock. We might slightly tighten it up slightly, and that's it. But we'll be right back. When we come back, the chicken will be ready. I'm gonna take it out. We're gonna get the start on our dumplings and roll them out, put them in the water, and we'll get on to the next step. But we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back for a minute. I just want to show you here. This is what you want. You want your chicken to kind of simmer. I mean, semi-boil. And we're going to simmer this. What it is, we're making a nice, rich, that's the key to your chicken and dumpling. This nice, rich, flavorful stock. But without a nice, rich, flavorful stock, you have no good chicken and dumplings. Don't use the stock in the cans and the paper boxes in the store. Make your own stock with your chicken. So what I say, this got to simmer another 45 minutes. We got my celery and onions in there, of course, salt and pepper, and bay leaves. And we just, just gonna simmer this away until the chicken pretty much is tender and falling off the bone. We're gonna take it out, pick the chicken out, and put our dumplings in there, put the chicken back in. We'll have a big old pot of chicken and dumplings. We'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we back. I think our chicken is ready here. Let's take it out here. Yeah, see how chicken is tender, falling off the bone? Okay, now what we're gonna do, I'm gonna take it, I'm gonna put in this pan here. Got the bay leaves too, I'm gonna try to get out of there. And I'm gonna put this to the side. I'm gonna get this chicken out of here. Drain as much as the stock off as I can. Cause I need to get this chicken out of here and kind of let it cool down a little, where I can pick the meat off and the skin off. See that nice flavorful stock we got there? It's definitely what we want here. I'm trying to get them bay leaves out of there as possible. I remember I put 3 in there. I only see 2 in here. It's okay, we'll find the other one later here. We definitely don't want to bite down on those bay leaves. So what it is, I'm gonna put this on the side and let it kind of cool down where I can handle it and pick off the meat. And we're gonna come back here and I'm gonna we're gonna mix up the actual dumplings, mix them up, put it on the board, roll them out, cut them out, put them in this hot stock here. And then we're going to put the chicken back in here. Tighten it up slightly if we need to with some roux. We might not have to. And that's it. But I'll be right back. Alright, y'all, we back. Okay, now we're going to make our dumpling mix. Very simple, very easy. Okay, now you see my stock here. I took the chicken out of the pot here. Now, I use Crisco for my fat content. You can use butter. And the recipe's online. Look like I'm just putting stuff in here, but look, I made this so many times, it's just like artwork. So, like I said, I use shortening for my fat content in my dumplings. I'm gonna just mix it around here, cut it with my hands here. You can use butter if you want to, salted butter, unsalted butter, but my mama always used Crisco, so I don't change the recipe. Okay, now put some salt and pepper in here. And this is the only time you'll see me using black pepper. I like to put black pepper in my dumplings. That's the way my mama used to do it, so like I said, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Okay, mix that up there. Okay, now I'm gonna use buttermilk. Buttermilk in here. Mix this up. Yeah, this is so easy. I don't know why people use biscuit out the can. You can just make your own really quick. Take no time at all to do this. So, a little bit more buttermilk. And you can use regular milk. You don't have to use buttermilk, but let's say I just stick to what I know, what I've seen done. And that's all you're really doing is making a biscuit dough without a leavening agent, meaning I have no baking powder in here, no baking soda, no nothing. Because I don't want these to puff up too much. And when you're stirring it, they tear to pieces. So that's why I'm going to put a leavening agent in it. Okay, now, what we're going to do now, I'm going to put flour on the board here. It should really, really cover with flour, but you don't want the dumplings to stick. Okay. Now, pour the dumplings right there on the board. Pour out of there. Go. Pour it out. Just like you're making biscuits. Same concept. Same concept. Put it over the top. I'm gonna get my rolling pin here. I'm gonna roll it out. Roll them as thin, as thick as you want. So, this is real old school. This is, man, you gotta really be into your dumplings for this. Okay, that's it. Now, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna take my piece of cutter here and I'm gonna cut them in squares. Some people like them round. I like mine square dumplings. And I like big pieces too. So there you go here. It's like you're making biscuits. I like the color that you know, the little specks of black pepper in the dumplings. That makes it look really nice. That's it. Okay, now what we're gonna do, we're gonna put them, see the pot, that's what you want. You want it boiling just like this. You're just gonna drop them in there, one piece at a time. One piece at a time. And when the water temperature drops, I say water, the temperature drops on the stock, you want to stop because you want it to really be boiling when you put this in here. Still simmering. That's what you want. How easy this is. When you put them in there, you don't want them to touch. You want to make sure it hits the liquid completely, all liquid. All liquid there. Now, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to kind of break these apart so they don't stick, but I'm going to use the back of my spoon, because what it is, I don't want you to use the front of the spoon and break them up. These things are so fragile and gentle right now, because they're not completely cooked. So I'm going to take the back of my spoon, just kind of move them around in the pot like this, see? That way they don't stick together, and you'll have a whole dumpling. See that? See how they all not sticking together? See that? Go. A bit more. Now, put some more dumplings in there. See how easy this is, y'all. Y'all should never be buying dumplings again in the can. It's so easy to make your own. Like I said, I make these at least. In a year, I'm gonna make it 40 times a year dumplings. Because my mama loves these. She can eat on these all week long. With some cornbread, shoot. Okay, again, I'm going to, in the back of my spoon, stir them around. See, it's getting full there. But remember, we still need to add our chicken in here too when I pick the meat off of it. So, look at that. See that? Nice, nice. See? Got a few more to put in here. Believe me, it's all gonna fit. It's like I've done this before. Like I say, I like nice, big, thick dumplings in my chicken and dumpling. I want chicken and dumpling. I want to be able to see them. All right, one more piece. Move them around in there. There we go. There we go. Oh yeah, now we're gonna let this cook a little, maybe about 10 minutes on low. I'm gonna come back, I'm gonna pick my chicken off, I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna add the chicken to this, and we're gonna have a big old hot steaming bowl of chicken and dumplings. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back here. Hey, while we was away, I added a little, see how creamy that is? I added just a little touch of whole milk in here to get the creaminess. You don't have to add the whole milk to this if you don't want to. I just like a lot of body and creaminess. The dumplings are almost done. Like I say, look at that. Now, it's another step I do. You can do it, leave it like this, but I don't like my dumplings this juicy, this loose. So I'm gonna add a little roux. All roux is 50% butter, 50% flour. 50% melted butter, 50% flour. I like to make it a little body to this. See that? See how creamy that is? Yes, sir. A little bit more. So it's going to give it a little body. See? A little thickness. That's it. Now, the chicken is here. I'm going to take a minute here, and it's cool down to the touch where I can pick it off. I'm going to pick this off the meat, off the bone, and I'm going to slowly add it to this, and these dumplings will be complete. So I'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back here. All right, I got my chicken here. And matter of fact, I'm going to save this for chicken stock later on. Y'all know how I am about saving my bones. Okay, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to turn this off because this is completely ready. These dumplings are done. Now, I'm just going to add my chicken in here really slowly. Really slowly here, incorporate it in here. It's definitely going to all fit, but it will fit. And that's another thing about my mama. She likes more dumplings than chicken. She don't even care about the chicken really. Then baby, all I want is dumplings. Okay, I'll put more dumplings than chicken. A bit more chicken in there. Stir it up. Like you say, the chicken's already done. All I did was just pick it off to cool it down a little and pick it off the bone. We'll add the rest of it in there. That's it. Y'all can see I made this so many times. I know the measurements by heart. I make these dumplings, like I say, at least 20 or 30 times a year. Twice a month most of the time. But my mama love her dumplings. Okay, that's it, y'all. See that? Now we're gonna bowl some up. Nothing's better than chicken and dumplings in the wintertime. Cold day. This and some cornbread. Put a little hot sauce on there. Hey, it's all good. Okay. I got my bowl here. Look at that. Oh yeah, baby. You can't go wrong with this. It doesn't get much better. Just another dumpling on there. See that? Oh yeah. Nice. Let's try these out here. Get this ladle out of the way. See that? Nice thick. I like mine. Look at that body on that dumpling. Some people make them too loose. I don't like that. Dumplings perfectly cooked. Look at that. Tender dumplings. Of course, the chicken is definitely done. Pepper. You can taste the black pepper in the. That's why I like putting black pepper in the dumplings itself, because you can definitely taste it. Oh yeah, I need some hot sauce. But anyway, y'all, please subscribe to my channel. Please share this video. Please comment on the video. Let me know if you like it. Give it a thumbs up. Until next time, have a blessed old school soul food day. 'Cause I'm fit to eat, y'all.